So today I thought I would start the video off slow and just show you guys how I fold my clothes in real life without speeding it up. So if you guys want to do your laundry with me, that's cool. I will speed up the video in a minute, but I thought I would just show you guys, this is really how slow I go. I am not some kind of magician that can speed up my cleaning. I really wish I could. But anyway, today I thought I would post like a therapeutic cleaning video because I know for me sometimes there are certain things that happen in your life that you can't control, and they can get to you. The night before I filmed this video, I had kind of a rough night, and so the next day I thought that I would just try and work on something that I could control, and that's my beautiful home that I live in with my beautiful family. And so I thought I would just clean my home and appreciate this home that I have and the family that I have. And cleaning can be really therapeutic. Like, I know it's kind of a pain or a big pain, trust me, but it can also be something that can just take your mind off of what you're dealing with in life. So I thought I would just mention that as we get into it. And I'm gonna speed the video up now and just let you guys watch me clean. I did want to mention that I'm using this granite sealer. It's really like a stone sealer, and I have marble and quartz surfaces, so my lovely husband picked this up, and it's just a good thing to do to kind of protect those surfaces, whether you have granite or marble or quartz. So I'm cleaning them first and really wiping them down and making sure they're nice and dry, and then I'm spraying the sealant on it and leaving it on for like 2 to 3 minutes and then wiping it off. So I just wanted to mention that I think it's really funny that my husband is taking a nap while I'm doing this cleaning video, but I wanted to say that he woke up early that Saturday and went to work for a few hours, so he's not a lazy bum, but I do think it's kind of funny to see him just napping there while I'm cleaning. gosh, you guys, look how gross. I found one of Henry's cups. He put it in his kitchen and it's like rotten milk and it's dripping and it's just, oh my